Hello again, Team TFT, and welcome back to another daily market outlook video. I'm going to start off here on the DXY, but before we get too far into it, we'll have a look at the economic calendar. So Wednesday, today, I've got a little bit of yellow news here on Euro and the USD. I don't think it's going to give us too much hassles. Definitely tomorrow, though, we've got Euro and the USD, both with red and orange news for most of the day. So just something to keep our eye out on for tomorrow. Now, looking at today, I'm going to start to get into some macro areas here because this is going to sort of affect how we're going to be looking at the markets on an intraday time frame here. So basically on the daily at the moment, you can see here that we are definitely in a bullish uptrend. High, low, high, high, low, high, low, high. Now we have set a low here, but that low is not confirmed until that low triggers another break of structure, which it has failed to break that high so far. So basically, based on that, this is currently our range, okay? So as you can see here, we've got a couple of nice little areas in here around that between 50 and 702 fib area, but we also have this area in here which is bang on the 702. So there is a couple of areas in here that could look good for if we were to say come down a little bit lower before going higher. Okay, so that could be something we could be looking for, is a little bit further pull down before going up. So that's basically where I'm at the moment. Euro is obviously very correlated to the DXY. So, and we can see here again, we've got our low, high, low, high, low, high. We've set a low, which has failed to break the previous low here. So this currently is our valid high. Okay. Now at this point in time, sorry, scratch that. I got mixed up there. So we've set a high and we've come down, pushed to a low that has failed to break the previous low. So this isn't not a validated high until this low gets broken. So what we can assume now is that this here is our current high time frame trading range. Okay, we are coming right into that 702 area, as I did mark out on the Dixie. So for me, this 702 area, we're currently at this point in time breaking quite a long-term and higher time frame trend line at the moment. So there's a couple of outcomes that we could be looking for here. I'll drop down to the lower time frame. Okay, so as we start to drop down to the lower time frame, I'll get rid of this fib. We can see we've pushed up above this trend line, and we've straight away on 15-minute, we've started to turn bearish here slowly. So we did have quite a big impulse yesterday. There's a couple of things we could see start to happen here. We could see a consolidation in this range here, a bit of consolidating, flagging down like this, and then a break higher. Or we could see just a continuation back down, breaking out the low side, coming down, and obviously finding a little bit more support down around here somewhere before coming back up. So there's a couple of things we could be looking for, but again, on the daily, we are coming into quite a high time frame area. So we can start to obviously look at consolidating this down to a bit tighter range. So could be looking at something like this last bullish candle here, taking it to the high. So if we come over here, where's that sort of landed us? So we've just wicked into it now. So basically what, for me at this point in time, we have wicked into a higher time frame area. 15-minute has started to turn bearish. So for me, I would be looking for maybe a bearish continuation today. But again, there is confluence here that we could be still looking at going higher based on the Dixie, where we are yet to come down into these areas as I marked out on the daily, I think it was. So on the Euro, we're currently here the Dixie were up a little bit higher, so we could see a little bit further of a pull down in the US dollar currency and then push higher. But again, this could all be thrown out the window with the news and stuff coming tomorrow. So it will be interesting to see where that sort of finishes. But as I said, for me today, with the big impulse yesterday, we've got a little bit of consolidation starting. We may look at seeing a further consolidation with big news coming tomorrow, not much action today, and we may just continue slightly going bearish. So for me, there's a couple of different trades we're looking for. Our range today is just under 30 pips, very consolidated. So if I'm bearish, slightly bearish on today, with that 15-minute time frame, there's a couple of blocks here that we could be looking for. So if we see a break to the upside, we could see a sweep of this liquidity sitting here like this, bit of double top liquidity there, and we've also got the Asian high liquidity. So we could see break to the upside into that, retest that area, and then go lower, or we could see a break to the low side, come back up, retest around that halfway line, or even break to the low side, come back up, retest the trend line, and then continuing lower. So that's basically my two trade setups that I would be looking for today. Again, guys, love to see some feedback in the chat, if in the comments section, if you would like me to start doing some analysis on the GBP USD chart next week. So yeah, look forward to hearing some responses from there. And yeah, I'll catch you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesman Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.